Greeting dear children, we are doing the extra questions of compound interest. What sum of money will amount to rupees this? It means this is amount given in 2 years at 10% per annum compound interest compounded annually. This is compounded annually. Now we have to find principal. Sum is to be found. So let principal is equal to P amount is given to be rupees 3630. Rate is 10% per annum and time is time n t equal to n equal to 2 years. Why time and n is same? Because compounded annually is there. So putting value in the formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. Putting value here, 3630 is equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole raised to power 2. So what will be there? P into 10 ones the 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10 whole square is equal to 3630. So P into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 is equal to 3630. I have to find P. So I'll keep P here and this 10 and this 10 will go up. 3630 into 10 into 10 upon 11 into 11. 11 3s are 33. Again 11 3s are 33. So 11 3 33. So 10 into 10 into 30. So what is the principal? Principal is rupees 3000. So got it? Very easy question it is. Now let us do the second part. I hope you have calculated it correctly. Question number 2 solution is, at what rate percent per annum compounded annually rupees 5000 will amount to 5832 in 2 years? Now time is given, amount is given, principal is given and we have to find rate. Since A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n, putting values, you have to be very cautious. Putting values, amount to rupees this, so it means 5832. Principal rupees 5000. Rate is not given. I am assuming it as R only. In 2 years it is given, so put time is equal to 2. 5832. I am bringing this here upon 5000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 2. So what is there in this question? We have to do it in a simple way. I am cancelling it. 2 2s are 4, 5, 0, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s the 2, 2 6 the 12. Again 2 1s the 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s the 10, this. 2 2 4s the 8, 2 5s the 10, 2 8s the 16. Again cancelling. 2 6 the 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s the 10, 2 7s the 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s the 18. So what I have got? 1 plus r by 100 whole raised to power 2 is equal to 729 upon 625, right? So what will be there? This is equal to 27 by 25 whole raised to power 2. 27 square is 729 and 25 square is also 625. So it means here also there is square, this also is square, because powers are same, so bases will also be equal. So 1 plus r by 100 will be equal to 27 by 25. I have to find the value of r. I will take this on that side. R by 100 is equal to 27 by 25 minus 1. So what will be there? Take LCM. 27 minus 25 upon 25. So this is equal to 2 by 25 is the rate percent. This is the rate percent. So this is R by 100. So rate percent, if I have to find, I'll multiply this with 100. 25 fours the 100. So answer will be 8%. Got it? We are to find rate and this is coming to be 8% per annum. Now let us do the next question. Question number 3 is we are to find in how many years rupees 4,000 will amount to rupees 5,324 at what rate? Rate is 10% per annum compounded annually. Again, this is a question of annual interest. So rate will be same and principal is also same. Principal is rupees 4,000. A is rupees 5,324. R percent is 10% per annum. And what we are to find? N or equal to T. N equal to T equal to we have to find. So let us put the value. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power N. Putting value 5,324 equal to 4,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole raised to power N. 5,324, I am bringing this on this side. 5,324 upon 4,000 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 10 whole raised to power N. Now cancel it. I am cancelling with 4. 4 ones the 4. 4 threes are 12. 1 here. 4 threes are 12. This. So we have reached to 1331 upon 1000. 1331 you know कि 1000 is the cube of 10. So this is 10 and this is the cube of 11. So 11 by 10 whole raised to power 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 10, or you can say 11 by 10. I am taking LCM. Is equal to 11 by 10 whole raised to power n. Bases are same, So parts will also be equal. This means n will be equal to 3. So time is 3 years. So I hope you have understood this question also. Now let us do the question number 4. What is the question number 4 here? Question number 4 says, just read it out. Tell your answers. What is there in the question number 4? Question number 4 is, how much will rupees 2,500 amount in 2 years at compound interest if rate is for the successive years is 4% and 5%. What is given here? I am writing only the required thing. Principal is given to be rupees 25,000. Principal is rupees 25,000 and time is 2 years, but rate is, how much is the rate? Rate is successively different. 4% for 1 year and 5% for other year. So now we have to find in amount. This is the similar kind of question. Just only one thing here is, we have to take R1 by 100, R2 by 100. So because there are different rate for different years, so putting value 25,000, 1 plus 4 by 100 for first year and 5 by 100 for second year. So 25,000, 25 ones are 25 and 1 is 26 by 25, 20 ones are 20 and 1, 21 by 20. So when we will be multiplying all these things, what answer we will be getting? Answer will be 27300 rupees 27300. I hope this is quite simple. Now we are on the last question. And what is the last question? Just see it. In question number 5, we have to find amount to be paid at the end of 6 months on principal is rupees 1800, time is 6 months and the rate is given to be 8% per annum and it is compounded quarterly. If it is compounded quarterly, quarterly mana 1/4 of the year, 1 by 4 year. Quarter means 1/4 of the year. If it is annum interest, so what will be the interest for quarter? 8 by 4, that is equal to 2% quarterly. And time is 6 months. And what is the meaning of quarter of year? Quarter of year is 1 by 4 into 12 months. So this will be equal to 3 months. So 3 months rate is 2 and time is 6 months. It means how many quarters are there? There are 3 months is 1 quarter. So 6 months will be 2 quarters. So n will be equal to 2. Now we have to find A. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to power n. 1800 into 1 plus 2 by 100 raised to power 2. 1800 into 51 is the 50 and 1. 51 by 50 into 51 by 50. Do the cancellation. 2 zeros will cancel here. So rest what will be there? Rest will be when we will be calculating 46818 upon 25, and that comes out to be rupees 1872. Rupees 1872.72. 72? Yes. So this is the amount. So we got the answers. I hope you have understood all these questions. So with this we have finished all the chapter. Do it well. Thank you.